Hello, Shining Soul, and good morning. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Celia, a certified meditation teacher, and I am so grateful to be guiding you today. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment. This space is for spiritual women seeking gentle healing through guided meditations and affirmations. This morning, we gently quiet the mind and create space for peace. When you're ready, softly close your eyes. Place your hands on your knees with your palms facing upward, or rest them in your lap, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Take a slow, deep breath in, and gently release through your mouth or nose. Again, inhale calm, and exhale tension. Let your shoulders soften. Relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Allow your body to settle into this moment. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. In this moment, you are safe to simply breathe. With each inhale, breathe in peace, and with each exhale, allow your mind to become a little quieter, a little lighter. Silently repeat to yourself or out loud, I release overthinking. I allow my mind to rest. I am grounded in the present moment. I do not need to have all the answers right now. I choose peace over pressure. My mind is becoming calm and clear. I trust myself. I trust life to unfold gently. Imagine a soft golden light above you. With every breath, this light gently surrounds your mind, bringing calmness, clarity, and stillness. Feel it softening the thoughts you no longer need to carry. Your mind does not need to race to keep you safe. You are already here. You are already enough. I am calm. I return to peace. Take one final deep breath in and slowly release. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. If this uplifted your morning, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps this light reach more souls. Stay shining and continue your spiritual journey by clicking on the next video. You are loved.